control room is often the nerve centre of an organisation. This is where decisions are made 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, with all these decisions having a direct effect on the operational or financial performance of a business. From the initial planning and design to project delivery and ongoing support and maintenance, CADwalk Critical Rooms is your ideal partner to deliver an optimal, fit-for-purpose control room. With decades of experience in consulting, designing, supplying, installing and providing aftercare, we have global leading knowledge, experience and capabilities that helps our clients plan their control rooms to address current state and future requirements.
CADwalk Critical Rooms has delivered hundreds of projects across key industry sectors, including, but not limited to, government infrastructure, private infrastructure, utilities, oil and gas, mining, space and defence, and public safety. We deliver market-leading capability at each stage of the control room lifecycle. However, our unique turnkey service offers a further value add for our clients and provides complete accountability for project performance and streamlined communication, ensuring knowledge transfer across each stage of the project.
Our consulting methodology and human-centred design considers the physical, physiological, cognitive, psychological and human factors that influence operator performance.
Our expert consultants will assist you to determine both current and future requirements to ensure flexibility and scalability of your control room. Whether in a brownfield or greenfield environment, our consultants work closely with you throughout the process to assist you in achieving an optimal fit-for-purpose design and specification. Our in-house digital team is at the forefront of market-leading technologies to assist our clients to visualise, evaluate and optimise design options, including ergonomics, line of sight and workflows. These collaborative and immersive experiences provide clients and their stakeholders a unique opportunity to walk through control room design options in our life-size technology and virtual reality, while providing feedback and making changes in real time. Analysis has shown that our patented CADwalk life-size technology reduces design costs by 50%, design time by 80%, and improves stakeholder engagement by 99%. Our team can also prepare high-quality animated fly-throughs and renders to assist with communicating designs and stakeholder engagement.
Experience, efficiency and quality is what counts when installing a new control room or undertaking an upgrade. Identification and integration of hardware systems and subsystems in control rooms is a highly specialised skill set.
CADwalk Critical Rooms supply, install and integrate state-of-the-art control room hardware and technical furniture for reliable and safe 24/7 critical operations. This includes, but is not limited to, consoles, advanced KVM solutions and video walls. We source leading hardware technology from around the world, as well as having our own local manufacturing capability to mitigate long lead times, typical from overseas suppliers. Our facility is also set up to test and commission hardware before delivery to site. Our friendly professional team also provide on-site training to ensure your operators are up and running as fast as possible.
Once the installation is complete, our services don't stop there. CADwalk Critical Rooms provides extended warranty options, preventative maintenance and service level agreements to ensure your control room environment remains reliable and safe, all while maximising the life of your investment. If you have any control room questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Early involvement will reduce risk, maximise performance and improve your return of this important asset.